what we see kind of in the environment is most people have had an overweighting to kind of the sexy Mag 7 names. And what's happened is they've kind of ignored the rest of the allocations to other industries, other sectors. Even within AI, there's an ecosystem within AI that's not just chips. There's the HVAC companies that cool the data centers. There's the copper wires. There's the companies that generate the power that goes from the utility, to those data centers. And I think that industrial complex, I think people have kind of overlooked that. I think that's an area that even in the tech space, you can look to diversify. But there's some consumer discretionary names we really like. We've liked the cruise lines for a while. They've done well because I think what people have looked at is, since COVID has taught us, people are valuing experiences even more, and that's an area that they've got their act together in terms of expenses, and obviously the price of oil being very low. Oil is a huge input for cruise lines, so that's an area that I think people have overlooked, and I think that continues to be an exciting area. And one of the areas that we've always liked, and it's been a trend of ours and a theme for probably 5 to 7 years, has been two things: the aging and the obesity in America. The aging of America is people are living longer and longer. Those businesses that are set up to deal with folks that are living, to their 80s, 90s, and 100s are well suited in this environment to continue to do well. And we know chronic obesity is a problem. So companies that are set up to do that as well, I think not just the GLP drugs, but there's groups that are doing better and better at being able to bring solutions to some of those folks. So I think those are areas that are being overlooked because people are too heavily weighted into those Mag 7 names. Not even just tech, it's just those handful of names.